Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing an awesome wall shelf from RO Fashion. If you guys want to check it out, the link is in the description down below. So let's dive in and see what's inside. This is a super affordable and eco-friendly mosquito lamp wooden wall shelf, perfect for home decor, your living room, bathroom, or even the kitchen. It's lightweight and comes in this cool brown color. One of the best parts about this shelf is how easy it is to install. All you need is a couple of nails and a hammer and you're good to go. Simple, quick, and it looks great on the wall. Once installed, it looks fantastic. It's small but works perfectly for storing items while saving space in your room. For this price point, honestly, I can't complain. It's definitely worth it if you're looking for a budget-friendly wall decor option. As you can see, it has a really unique design that will fit perfectly on the walls of your home or office. It comes with 4 wooden shelves, rust-proof material, and looks perfect for storing and organizing small items if you want to grab one yourself. The link will be in the description down below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe,